Hey everyone, this is Derek with OPTP, and here I have our new Pro Roller Super Soft. Now the Pro Roller Super Soft was designed for a few reasons. One, to offer a more gentle myofascial release experience when engaging in traditional foam rolling exercises. In addition, it offers more comfort during Pilates, yoga, and stability-oriented exercises. The new Pro Roller Super Soft provides gentle, forgiving compression for people who are new to foam rolling, those with sensitive tissues, or those who require more stability. It offers more comfort during Pilates and other exercises, as well as when rolling sensitive areas like the serratus anterior, IT bands, shins, and more. Now the Pro Roller Super Soft features a very durable, comfortable, and of course soft EVA foam that's built to withstand even the harshest professional training environments. Be sure to check out the new Pro Roller Super Soft today.